How to receive money on Binance. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily receive Bitcoin on Binance Wallet. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you can go ahead and open up your Binance application. And once you open it up, all you have to do here is make sure to log into your account. Now from here, you're going to find the wallet section at the top and then head over there. Once you head over to Binance Wallet, you need to go to the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. And once you are on the Assets tab, you'll find something called Send and Receive options here. Tap on Receive, then tap on Receive tokens via address, and search for Bitcoin here. So tap on the search icon and search for BTC. Find Bitcoin here and you'll be good to go. You can also select networks from here. So just go ahead and select Bitcoin network. And you'll find all of the available assets here to receive. Tap on Bitcoin and you'll find a QR code or your wallet address. You should see a wallet address like this. So you can either scan the QR code or copy the wallet address below and you'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.